They believed they could create a master race. And what they did in the name of science will shock you. This isn't a sci-fi movie. It's a dark chapter of our own history. Deep within the shadows of the Second World War, a terrifying ideology took hold. It wasn't just about conquest on the battlefield. It was about controlling the very blueprint of humanity. They called it racial hygiene, a chilling term for a nightmarish goal: to engineer a superior race through forced sterilization, cruel experimentation, and mass murder, all while systematically eliminating anyone deemed unfit. At the heart of this were doctors and scientists who abandoned their oaths to heal and instead embraced a twisted mission. They saw human beings not as individuals, but as genetic material to be manipulated. Twins were especially targeted. In camps like Auschwitz, children were subjected to horrific procedures. They were injected with diseases, chemicals, and dyes, all to study the supposed differences between their so-called pure and impure bloodlines. The goal was to unlock the secrets of heredity, to mass-produce their ideal human, as if they were building a machine, not respecting a life. These weren't random acts of cruelty. They were part of a state-sponsored program, meticulously documented and justified by a warped, pseudo-scientific belief in their own superiority. They measured skulls, catalogued eye colors, and created elaborate family trees to decide who would live and who would die. People with disabilities, different ethnicities, or anyone who didn't fit their narrow mold were labeled life unworthy of life. This ideology led to the suffering of millions, a horrifying testament to how science, when stripped of ethics and humanity, can become a tool for unimaginable evil. The legacy of these experiments is a permanent scar on history. It serves as a chilling reminder of the dangers of dehumanization and racial hatred. It forces us to ask critical questions about the responsibility of scientists and the ethical lines that must never be crossed. Understanding this dark past is not just about remembering the victims. It's about ensuring that such atrocities, fueled by ideology and disguised as progress, never happen again. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe for more deep dives into history's most important stories.